Before committing to learning art, why are you doing this? If it's only for money, that's fine, but if you don't enjoy doing it, it's about as sustainable for you as a retail job is, and just like a retail job, an art career also breaks down your body. If it's for validation, the well has run dry on that. It's called social media, but people really only passively consume media, not talking to one another, so the social aspect's gone. If you put all your self worth into numbers, you give all your power away to people who wouldn't piss on you if you were on fire. Is it for fun? Well, if that were true, you probably wouldn't be watching self help videos, trying to do something about your self worth, and listening to people tell you what is and isn't acceptable in regards to expressing yourself. Drawing better than you do right now is not going to improve how you feel about yourself. It's like putting on a pretty dress and going outside. Now you're still depressed, but you're also wearing a dress and outside. Are you doing this because you think this is your ticket out of poverty? This is the long game. Odds are you probably won't explode popularity and wealth overnight. If the goal is to make your bills by the end of the month, and not because you want to monetize something that you genuinely enjoy, please don't do this. Try to get people to like you. Do not. People will like who they think you are, and you will find yourself trying to keep acting that way even if it's not what you want. You cannot and will not get everyone to like you, and this will not fill the void in your soul. If your self-worth is tied to productivity, the amount of work that you put in isn't going to make your the final product inherently better. The goal is to find a way to get from point A to point B faster and not stay busy to silence the fucking screaming in your head. Therapy's in order, but that shit's expensive, so it'd be better to just draw or write a story about a character being blown up by a nuclear warhead to dull the ache for now. So basically, at the end of the day, is doing this something that you can reasonably balance in such a way that it won't make you want to stick your head into a lake and inhale deeply? Or are you doing this because you think you have to?